Yes, picture perfect. National Management Resources has been creating picture-perfect college and university campuses since 1978. Take a trip to any college that is partnering with National, such as Tennessee Wesleyan, and here's what you'll hear.
I think it's definitely the most beautiful campus I saw when I was visiting schools, and I did visit many schools. The first thing that people notice when they visit this school is its beautiful scenery. It's been here for a very long time, and any time of year, spring, winter, fall, it always has something appealing for the eye.
Well, there have been studies done that prove that the curb appeal of a college has a lot to do with whether or not a student decides to go there. So you can go around the college and you can tell a big difference between before National was here and now. And we also have a big change in enrollment.
Parents and prospective students alike comment each and every time they're on our campus about the beauty of our campus, and it's something that it's very noticeable.
When you drive up on this campus, this is the first thing you notice is how well the lawn is manicured, how the bushes and the shrubs are trimmed. It's a beautiful campus.
It's always been easy to talk about the achievements in our partnership, and I think we bear that out by the fact that we've extended our contract for so many years with National through 2016.
My job with National is to make Tennessee Wesleyan the most beautiful campus in Tennessee.
I am a perfectionist, and I'll try to do the best job that I can for Tennessee Wesleyan and keep them happy and satisfied.
Our mission together is to integrate really into a family and to be able to provide the best environment that we can for both the students and the faculty. Through the relationship between National and Tennessee Wesleyan, I was able to finish my degree, which I had worked on for over 20 years, but I was finally able to go and complete my degree here.
I enjoy the atmosphere. The people on campus are wonderful.
A lot of enjoyment to come here to see the differences that you make each day.
When students are looking for a college, they have a picture in their mind of what they'd like. And what we at National try to do is to make that picture perfect. And I think we do that here at Tennessee Wesleyan.
Another example of the care that National Campuses receives is LaGrange College.
The very first thing that students and their parents see, of course, is the way the campus is cared for, how it's landscaped. It's that total impact of the vision of the classic campus feel. And we're proud that at LaGrange, everybody who walks on the campus just has that sort of sudden taking in of breath, that aha moment.
I was really on the fence between here and another college, and it really came down to how much I liked the campus. And I absolutely love this campus. Everything about it is just so clean and so neat.
National has been a key player as we have developed our response to the President's climate commitment. We were in the first 10 to file nationally our climate action plan out of over 600 institutions. They've been very helpful at helping us analyze our utilities usage and analyze our systems for improving our utilities usage. They've been at the key of the sustainability effort. A few years ago, National offered, and we agreed, for the National takeover events management and conference planning services. And so throughout each of our special events, it's National employees who look after all of the details to make sure everything is set up correctly and on time, and that all those details are looked after. Perfect case is our graduation ceremonies, where every chair is in perfect order and perfect lines so that the visual shots of graduation are perfect. And of course, that's a big logistical challenge to manage all of those kinds of events, and oftentimes multiple events at once. And there's great care taken throughout.
National has it set up on our campus where we can either call or email them and send in a request for a room on campus or a designated area on campus. And all we have to do is show up when we said that we needed that done, and it's done. I don't see where they find the time, but everything always gets done, and they always set up our events for us, and we don't ever have to worry about anything ourselves.
When you're a small college campus, the overhead for equipment to look after everything on your own is substantial. With the contract with National, we can forego the cost of that overhead. We can have a degree of predictability for what our costs will be because it's contracted on an annual basis. So we understand that how that's going to work out. Certainly also National takes on the liability and other kinds of insurance options that goes with the custodial and maintenance part of the operation, which absolves the college of those particular concerns as well. So for a small college, it allows us to get a certain economy of scale by attaching to a larger corporation than we'd be able to achieve on our own.
Walking around this campus sells this place, and I really genuinely feel that way.
People who are employed by National have the opportunity to participate in our family tuition plan for those just as our employees are, so that they get free tuition if they choose to enroll in college. We really do have a sense as though they are part of our campus. We want them to think of this campus as one big family.
Each National Management Services contract is carefully tailored to the needs of the individual college in order to provide all the services necessary to assure another picture-perfect campus.